Hey guys, it's Oluwadamillola Ojo here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get Canva Pro for free. So if you are a university or college student and you have a university email, let's say maybe a Unilag student and you have all those university emails that end with maybe unilag.edu.ng, you are qualified to get Canva Pro for free. So Canva and Microsoft have a collaboration whereby they give Canva Pro for free to students and teachers that have those Microsoft's university accounts. So to get it, all you need to do is to search Canva Microsoft. Yep. And then the first link you see Microsoft integration with Canva education. Click on it. I really hope this doesn't take me to my Canva app, so just click on this sign up button here. Yep, it took me back. So when you click on that link, it brings up this page and click on continue with Microsoft. If your university email account is a Google account, you can continue with Google. If it's a Clever account, you can continue with Clever, but mine is a Microsoft account, so I'll continue with Microsoft. And after that, all you have to do is to just follow the login details and everything, and then you get automatically signed up. So I have logged in before, so that's why it just brought me back. So just click on continue another way. When you open your Canva app, click on continue another way instead of this ones. If you use Microsoft or whatever, click on continue with Microsoft, and then it logs you into your account. So because I have done this before, it just takes me past all those other processes where I need to put my password, put my OTP. But if you are doing this for the first time, you need to input your password, input your OTP, and just do all those verification processes. But after you have done that, and you log into your Canva, maybe on the website or on the page, you're going to see that you have all Canva Pro features for free. So let's just check it if it's working. So there are sometimes it will not work, so you have to just go back and check what you did, check your process or how you did it, because it's supposed to work if you did it the right way. So just sign up, put in your verified university email, put your password and everything, and it's going to work. So everything that's supposed to appear as pro is going to appear as edu here. You can see this edu icon with the cap, so that is the pro, and it is available for students to use absolutely for free. And when you open the page for the first time, it's going to ask you some questions like, what do you want to use Canva education for? Just say you don't want to use to teach. Why don't you want to use to teach? You're a student, and also that's just that. And you have simply gotten Canva Pro for free. So with this you can download your stuff as PNG. You can access premiums, elements, stickers, text, and likes. It's just Canva is just better. It's Canva Pro. So that's all for this video. Bye.